Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to get rid of all of your data, thereby deleting your account on the Endel application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on the settings icon that you can find in the upper right corner of the screen. Now tap on the settings button, which is the second option. Now scroll down till you find this data management section in the middle of the screen. As you can see, it says that you can delete your personal data from our system. So all you have to do is tapping on this remove my personal data button. Then press the button yes after reading this text. So now your data has been removed successfully, meaning that your account is removed as well. So you are ready to create a new account if you feel like to do so. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.